making homemade creamy salmon with spinach and moringa. Here are the ingredients: salmon, minced garlic, chopped onions, cherry tomatoes, moringa or horseradish, cream milk, salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, oregano, olive oil, and spinach. Sprinkle first the salmon with salt and black pepper. Put an olive oil to the preheated pan. Then place the sliced salmon. Sprinkle the other side of salmon with salt and pepper. Fry each side for 3 minutes, then roll over it. Guys, you'll notice that I'm not using too much oil, because adding oil to any dish adds an exorbitant amount of fat, and it will spike blood sugar. Diets lower in fat and protein are easier to digest. It's done, guys, and it's perfectly cooked. I'm gonna set aside this first. In the same pan, sauté onions and garlic until it becomes golden brown. Place the spinach and mix it. Then add on 1 cup of cream milk. Then put the sliced cherry tomatoes. After 2 minutes of simmering, put the moringa or horseradish. Blend it properly with the other ingredients. Add salt to taste. Garlic powder, chili powder, and oregano. Place the fried salmon. Cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. It's done, guys. And this is my own version of creamy salmon with spinach and moringa. Guys, I wanna share my online business. Our products are from food to health and wellness. Here's the video.
Ang masarap talaga kahit walang sauce. Magandang umaga, friend! Ako si Ai de las Alas, ang inyong Queen of the Kitchen. And welcome to the Siomaiking Cooking Show! Pwedeng-pwede na tayong kumain ng authentic Chinese food sa ating tahanan. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas para makakain ng siopaw. Dahil meron na tayong door-to-door delivery ang Siomaiking. Kaya, mag-order ka na online! Siomaiking Express Taiwan Siopaw has two tasty variants. Taiwan Asado, taran! And Taiwan Bola Bola! Magandang umaga, friend! Ako si Ai de las Alas, ang inyong Queen of the Kitchen. And welcome to the Siomaiking Cooking Show! O mahilig ka ba sa noodles? Mas papasarapin pa namin yan dahil meron ng beef noodles ang Siomaiking Express. Healthy and tasty ang Siomaiking Express noodles dahil may kasama itong gulay at napakasarap na sabaw. There are two ways to heat the Siomaiking Express beef noodles. One way is by using a microwave and the other is by using a stove.
You can order now at my shop links below. And for business inquiries, please comment how. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!